Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you three important tricks in Power Query. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me go to the Power Query editor from Power BI desktop. So I'll click on transform data and transform data. And here you can see my data set. So let me zoom in. Okay. So now first trick is, for example, if you want to see the value of some particular row. So option is you have to scroll from like this, from left to right or right to left to see all the columns values. Okay, now I will tell you one easiest way. Just you have to, if you want to see the value of this row, you have to just click on the row and let me show you. Now here you can see the value from all the columns one by one. So now no need to scroll from right to left and left to right. Now let me show you the second trick. Second trick is, for example, your data set has so many columns actually, and you want to see the some particular column from your data set. So again, option is you have to scroll right or left right. So the easy way, just press Ctrl G, and here you can type your column name, or you can choose from the order list. You can choose from the list as well. So I'm typing or order quantity. Click OK. So as you can see, my column order quantity is highlighted or selected. Now let me show you the last trick. Last trick is, for example, if you want to filter some particular region or some particular country, like for example, I this data set has a value for United States and Canada, but I don't want for United States, I want only for Canada. So just right click on the cell and here click on text filter or equal. If you want only Canada, so you click equal, or if you don't, if you want to exclude some value, depending on your choice, you can does not equal, begins with, does not begins with, end with, does not end with. You can choose as per your choice. So I will click on equal. So as you can see, now this column has only country Canada. That's all for this video.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.